This video will show you how to change the oil in a 2002 Honda Accord, created by me, Kyle Masterson. You will need the following materials. You will need oil, an oil filter, your local auto parts store will usually have these on a special when you buy both at the same time. You need an oil catch pan, oil filter wrench or channel locks, a hydraulic jack, a 17mm wrench, a wheel chalk, something to chalk the back wheel with, optional laying material. I like to lay on something other than concrete. Paper towels. Here are the materials laid out in front of us. First step in this process is to chalk the back wheel so it doesn't roll back on us. It's just a precautionary thing. Second step, you will jack the car up. Use the metal subframe. Do not use any of the plastic undercarriage. You'll turn the knob to the right in order for it to raise. For extra safety, use a jack stand. Mine were being used, so I used a tire with a wheel on it. Your third step, drain the old oil. Find the drain plug, take the 17mm wrench and turn to the left. Once it's loosened, you can loosen it with your hand. If your car has been turned on recently, be careful because the oil may be hot. Catch it in the drain pan. Place the bolt back in. Try not to over tighten the bolt because it can become stripped. Clean up your mess. You will then change your oil filter, and that is our fourth step. Use your oil filter wrench or your channel locks to loosen, and then you loosen the rest with your hand. Be careful here once again because oil may flow out, and if your car's been on, it may burn you. Lube the rubber seal around your oil filter and hand tighten it, righty-tighty. Fifth step, open your hood to place new oil in. Find your oil cap. Should be hand tightened, so you should be able to loosen it with your hand. Using a funnel is optional. Replace the oil. Make sure you put oil back in your car. Some people do make the mistake of not putting oil back in their car. Place the oil cap back on. Clean up any mess you may have spilt on the valve cover. Your sixth step, if you have a maintenance light on, we can clear it here. Turn the key to the second position and press and hold the select reset button. Turn the key to the off position for 10 seconds. Still holding it, turn the key back onto the second position and let go. This should clear out your maintenance light. Seventh step, be sure to write down, record your mileage. In this vehicle, it's recommended every 3,000 miles you change the oil. As you can see, the engines last a while. Final step, recycle the used oil and clean up your mess. It's a free service provided by O'Reilly's to recycle the oil. And make sure you put all your tools away. And that's how you change the oil. Thank you.